Upgrade your backroll to blind by passing the bar early with the Backroll to Blind airpass. Start by following your unhooked procedure. Place your kite at around 1 o'clock to begin with. Try to keep it in a stable position throughout the trick. The kite angle may decrease as your level improves. Initiate an aggressive backroll pop by holding your edge longer, carving deep into the wind, and looking up and over your front shoulder. You will need more height and speed through your rotation to pass the bar before landing. Continue to follow the momentum you have created. Try to spot your landing as early as possible. Remember to keep your arms and legs bent, thinking about pulling the bar towards your front hip aggressively throughout the trick. Once you're about 270 degrees around your rotation, you need to create a counter rotation. At the same time, 1. Look over your back shoulder. 2. Let go of your back hand and swing your arm and shoulder in the direction of your rotation. 3. Kick and straighten your back knee to help you rotate. As you feel yourself slow down and upper body rotate in the opposite direction, immediately bend your back knee whilst kicking and straightening out your front knee. Reach for the bar. Once you grab the bar, center your body and set yourself for landing, which will come soon after the handle pass. Let's remember the key elements. Aggressive pop. Create a counter rotation by looking over your back shoulder and swinging your arm and shoulder out. Straighten your back knee. Immediately after, bend your back knee whilst kicking and straightening out your front leg. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.